Ye n'Ensoko TV oboroso bw'umugusi.
Mwanchumo rigereria Ensoko TV na gukwandira ndonsi asure no gusaba kwanenga gwatware ritukurigia ritukeriga rie Jumatatu obutuko bwa kane mutinyo gatano mwaka bw'ekiri bubere 20 na mona bwigo kwagero kwabero gokwego kende meroberio yagendrera sembeo Ensoko TV chingaki bonongo kwarigania semesa ya magia kurwa Ensoko ensa eyamo tumurekere na kurigereria nararia ya ainekiwe kurwa se chinsemo au hayubo igabariki baito bamungana basangiriri kurwa se mambiare ngentambo mwancho murigereria nchenkoro kwa Clinton Ndigi asali bagari timu ngime wankwanya kurwa se studio ya Kabere kwene kyamo rigede chipicha nachiko wochera senchirengia togosabiro karanse ko benente kurubono huika omweri nyaraboigo MSM ya kuru Ensoko ensa eyamo butuko bwarero abako yabwate gwetera se mitandao itekerero ya Facebook na YouTube na Ensoko TV wasase mitandao yane una Clinton Ndigi tutaranyora senchira yobo ikirano ayigane gati ya tukwariga ndreti butuko bwarero abariki ao kurugusi gochengera rituko ryobosibore bwabariki ensengima imeyobo gatagati bo mochubo songo rituko rya rero.
When it is clearly displayed to the world that you are a sinking ship, would you be spending your time insulting your predecessors? It's amazing.
Turigo chigo ikaransa totengere na gosoncha mokomorama Uhuru Kenyatta ninkwane omokonyi bo muraibikia magia Jubilee Dr. Fred Matiang'i.
I am Miss Independent International Africa 2026. I am very humbled first of all. I thank the Lord and of course I am very overjoyed.
Na hintingana yego sorry yo Weston Temuswati Joan Joy koira na kurwa Bangkok Thailand mega yoko bwaeke wa ki Weston ya Miss Independent International Africa. Mwanjo murigeria karibu sana bono butuko bwaro tugochakana roboti rokobwati achitariki 3 umutinyi ogatano kiro mwaka enzenkima nige kuri chengera ritukerio koba hobosibore bwabariki na me county ya Kisii ritukoria rero niga bariki kurwa sebita seni ao byoborari banyara ko bagosangerekana ime omochibo songo na gokoro kurobekana ko murembe kokani obosibore bwabo koenekiwa bagorogwa n'umunyakerogo w'ekyombe ya Kenya Correspondent Association uyo manyekende una Hudson Matara hamona barari bande niko bono baereire amakongo au bagwetera kira rituko kero bari chingaki ekyabo cyogo ikirania emeroberio yabo hasa bande bagochererwa na bande goitwa niko bono bagandire baewe obosibore bwabo hekero bagokora emiremo yabo yokomanya abananchi kagokwana nabose bakogania banyara ko bagosemia abananchi asenchira erengia muri kitope Pethuel Machini nwarenga segati yabari cyabo bari gucengera ritukeriga twariga ndi robot rokobwate
Nerbia abariki kwegwo bosibori bwabo akira bagwikarania mirimo yabo ya kirarituko yokogokia gosemena bwigo komanya abananchi okonoko bori wa kwarure na ensemo y'abariki memo cyobosongo chinga kicho kuri chengera ritukoria obosibori bwa bariki ensenki maritukoria rero okwana chinga kicho bakora no myakero bwekyombe gya Kenya Correspondents Association KCA Adson Matara nganya kaboga kwa robya bwe rutukeriga asabariki kwego bosibori bwabo
abdaro ni rituko ria abariki kuse abatangazaji Kenya ngima bako chengera rituko ryabo ryo obukori emirimo haiga Kisii abariki n'abatangazaji ku rwenseme yega basoire na barabugo chengera rituko ryo lakini ngo sababalenga tiga abantu tokuruka bahamate babaligirira n'abasani babo yani a community erigirira abariki muna abantu bara abasani babo ligo kolega sikomo kera abariki aba mirimo yawe menene no kubamanyia mangana tekire ense kubasomigoro ya mangana muna abachenu uburemi naende kubagokia mnabono chingero na matera mukuigwa wetira ase chiredio ase television na wao
igati ya abariki nabo igabo botene aha nigo banya ko babakwerera chinga kichinga ngo bagweterekera bakore mirimo yabasogocherwa.
Pasipo hawa waandishi hatutaweza kupata ujumbe ama information yoyote kwa jamii, kwa sababu sisi ndio tunaelimisha, sisi ndio tunaweza kuwajulisha kinachoendelea ulimwenguni. Jambo lingine ni usalama wetu wakati tunafanya kazi yetu. Pengine vile tunafanya kazi haikufurahishi. Leo umeona pengine kitu tumefanya ama story nimefanya haijakuendea vizuri. Umetuma watu wako wametuvamia ama wamenivamia. Kesho story nimefanya inakuendea vizuri, haijamuendea yule mwingine vizuri. Pia yule ataona huyu anitaki ananipinga. Pia atume watu wake. Sasa tunaona tunaumia sana.
Yeche chikotageti abalike mangaseti batali kugenda bunera ini batagete. Nduna abantu tole trained ndori kwa namuna mona sasa gototebi toka namuna twarora muna twaigwa na andi muna tumanyete. So nari guchiko boliga abaliki baitwa magaseti abande bali mwasoire ase social media cyabana siasa tako bajispasa abaliki bamina sengenjore moina ali gere siasa nkoherere journalism negenderete
asebono banyako bakobore byombe byonsi biborendi kwana kinga nkuya na baramangana abo interneti abariki gocherwa eryo abariki banyoro bose bori babo
toko boli inspector general ne chikoti lekanya to boli monga na kome edo tageteiga tige binebi eibage bimbiroje kaine binde byoka kibicha mbibage mbimanyire bikorwania abaralia bikorwania chiripota Kenya ningi muganyete motali ko bitingera ebina byabo bikorwe basoe alia sagurunga kurekebisha na haki.
Tungeomba pia idara ya usalama waweze kutusaidia wakati tunapiga ripoti, mchukulie jambo hili kwa umakinifu sana, na tunaomba tu ushirikiano na usalama wetu.
Ule uhusiano wetu wa kimaendeleo kutoka mashinani mpaka kule juu ulimwenguni kote. Kwa hivyo mashirika yote ya kiserikali, mashirika yote ambayo ya kiutu, zile changamoto zote zinapitia kwa wanahabari ndio sifikie ambapo mwanahabari anastahili kuangaliwa kama kioo cha jamii ambayo kinastahili heshima mahali popote ambapo kinaonekana.
Kuripoteria Ensoko TV kuromo chobo songo nchepethuel Machin.
Manchumu rigereria togoskabo siaso roboti ronde mokonyi bumurai wikiama gya Jubilee oyiboigo hokorige kirogo kyubarai bwensa sobachori olebosio Dr. Fred Matiang'i omachire gati abarai korwa serikali bakorwa numurai bwense hase hokomochengia oyokabeire umurai bwense omokoro Uhuru Kenyatta aya ngobwatekana negati yechinkwana chiabara yabo bose chinkwana cho murai yo mokoro hanyara ko baga kubwato ko chasa bwatani baya sinchira yesime chingake kyame kyo kya bwato musangerekano hasensemo ya Narok na kuboria banyara ko bagocha mono ko bwata sia Matiang'i asobochori omwaka gocha 2027 muri kitolinet nyambane na roboti rwa senchiro wikira.
Abarai be kiama gya Jubilee bamochirie abarai kurwa ase kiama kya UDA abo batebire bakomochegia oyo kabeire umurai bwense boigo umurai bwe kiama gya Jubilee Uhuru Kenyatta kubwatekana nenkwana yae akorete n'ababwatani bae chingaki ekiamekyo kyabwato musangiririkano ritkoria Jumamosi ase county ya Narok.
We will not even allow and encourage our members to use that kind of language against President William Ruto because it's indecent, it's unbecoming. We want to build a decent society and a society that upholds truly the principles of democracy and decency. The retired president makes one phone call and the government screams the whole weekend. What kind of people are these? And we are reading now the Kenya National Bureau of Statistics, a public sector government agency, has told us clearly with data and statistics that 2/3 of the stories they have been telling us are just blatant lies.
Kama rais ameweza kustaafu, ni vizuri awache kwamba yule ambaye yupo afanye kazi yake inavyofaa. ili kuwe na umoja, kuwe na utangamano, na kama kuna mambo yote ambayo pengine yanatokea, basi kuna kuwa na mawasiliano. Na hilo ni jambo ambalo unaliona kabisa hata kule Marekani wakati rais amestaafu, anakwenda kufanya kazi nyingine. Na leo asubuhi nilikuwa namfikiria yule Jimmy Carter ambaye alikuwa ameishi miaka mingi zaidi, na alipoacha uongozi yeye alienda kushughulikia watu, akaenda kujengea watu manyumba, akaenda kufanya mambo ya kuleta amani, na akaishi miaka mingi kuliko rais yote. Hayo ndio mambo yanafaa kuwa wakati unapostaafu kuwa rais, na ndivyo mtiposa iwe ni kielelezo chema ambacho kipo katika jamii hii yetu ya Kenya.
Gukwana kurwa ase amagacho amanene yekiamekyo imeyo mucho Nairobi abarayabo bakoragwa no mokonyi bwekiamekyo Fred Matiang'i nigo batebire UDA nigo giasinyirwa gukora egasi na kigekogera ababwatani bae bachakire kung'anya kurwa ase ekiamekyo.
On a weekend when senior members of your party are announcing that they will not defend their seats on your party's ticket, when it is clearly displayed to the world that you are a sinking ship, would you be spending your time insulting your predecessors? It's amazing. We want to ask these brothers and sisters of ours in government, there's work to be done, a lot of work to be done. Let's focus on that work and build our country. President Kenyatta is retired. He is a member of Jubilee. He's going to be a member of Jubilee and is playing his role as a member and the leader of Jubilee. Leave him alone. Let him carry on with his businesses.
Ngana na mangana ya kwanete abantu aminto mwaroche weekend yebuna yaerete mwarocha serikali ya William Ruto ekera igoreta abantu baje kuruororokoreta mangana yecheche na kuramu muske Uhuru Kenyatta totake tokotebiga muske Uhuru Kenyatta muske William Ruto ase serikali yaye abwate bonoiga abakenya babwato bokongu bonge sana amangana school fees capitation teigo so ase chiskuru amangana asha abantu aminto bakurwara basirira kinyagetari awao bataikonyora ukuwenie sengetu chibesa cyasha nchiyo ekegori kietegeke a promise ti ari gota kwa chigasi bono iga mbanya konyora chigasi enseye gebwato bokongu bonge sana na korengana ne birengererie ebyo itwairete nganko rokorare ngomo kiuyo erindegere koranga ebinte twakwanire bya myarire goshugulikiwa
Asebono abarayabo nigo bono baruro kuburia guchia ase abarayibe kiama kia UDA gokorera abakenya emirimo.
And those elected leaders, I want to ask them, sisi tunawaheshimu, you know, we are not going to walk down that hole of behaving like Precambrian people, you know, insulting others for no apparent reason. Tutawaheshimu, hatuwezi kuwatusi, lakini tafadhali, you know, let's build a modern country. Kenya is a serious country. When you see the kind of arguments we're having, it's a joke.
Itotagete gotebia abantu amintasi bari. Enga kiebono ya ikire na intuna abagusito wenete wechoka erindegerege wiko mwaka ondo 2027. Tunyare kubiko burayi ubuya buranyare konya abagusiba ito naende bakonye Kenya ngima.
Ngoripoteria Ensoko TV kurwa ase omochio Nairobi erietariane Linet Nyambane.
My fellow Kenyans, when you see this language and you see these people talking like this, you must be asking yourself the question that I'm asking myself. Do you want another 5 years of this arrogance?
Mimono morikito Linet Nyambane no roboti rwa senchira irenge togoskabusio manchumo rigereria asentundi akabere bono nigo habamenyi be county Nyamira basabiro baesokie eri barengwe amaiso na kwegwa ebirore byabusa aso murubirio horachake abo ankyo na oire eka matuko atano alebosio asebarache gochakira sensemo ya Nyansabwa parish ria Jerusha Marindi na Sengera Imeri Goma aso murubirio hoyo kuragwa nebyumbe ao hebitari bya serikali byakira mo kwenekia michugikirania ekerengo yoko barenga habamenyi kurase county Nyamira goikera emerongo gotechiribu emerongo asebono banyare ko babakurwa okuburia guchasa abananchi weso kiaso bunge rengo kionge tano etoto igoro yemia nigo bono barwarete amaiso ubwatekana ninchira bamenyete muri kito Stephen Yeriki agotomanya senchero wikera
Mega yentunda entang'ani yokorengwa maiso na gusira bamenyi ba Nyamira n'ebirore asa bamenyi chiriwinye bakonyegete n'umuroberio ebyombe bitari bya serikali bya Philemon Morarapiemi Foundation, Resource Foundation, Right of Hope Initiative na Lions Hospital. Gasentunda ya kabere nande barachakie umuroberie kamunoyo ankio asa matukatano asbarene kirenga gyoikirania kurigia bamenyi be county ya Nyamira gwetania chiriwe 20 nenjira yemo yokwirania okoboko ase ya mate
asa marita Douglas Rutongo usilisosa lero turegane kiombe kanene sana tukubwatirana Tuwalji Foundation ibira tukubwatirana ne kiombeke that is foundation ya Douglas Rutongo Lisosa na Happy Foundation Philemon Morarapiemi Foundation the organization ya Nairobi ya mekuruka Light of Hope Initiatives na banyagetari bande ku Lions Hospital tuega igago sebachire konya munyorete bakore exercise kekiala last time kolingolia banta maiso erinde bakanyore birore abande bachire face ndi ya kabiri
kwa Philemon Morarapiemi standing senator 2027 igorende otuacha iga kuna ukoronjie process ya screening phase 2 phase 1 inja arete yen phase 2 phase ye ukava accounting nande ntoje tawe tuko na koteba asitoko genda phase 1 I think ntu akora tang 4000 phase 2 asenge timu nene actually target yaito is 20,000
korengana na Philemon Morarapiemi uyokoriye kirokyo wa senator se county ya Nyamira nabo igo Douglas Rutongo Risosa uyokoriye kirokyo wa MCA se ward ya Bogichora igo bereire nga ko bagusi abantu abange bagutumeka chingo gento gekogera rioki ko basaria maiso igo yababetereirie koreto umurobere ga sentunda ya kabere.
The reason is why abanyagetari aba bachira bange sana tuanyoda abantu baita maiso na saligete sa gutumeka chingo
usonye surgery etakire ate bu surgery gochokorwe surgery inero tobwato mubango bali bonsi bagochikonyora batakire surgery naande partners bande nababuna tora tobwateranete tochikorana kitogochikokonya bali batakire kwa surgery ego era maiso na ara ukoro kite beauty yense ukore togomana banenjera iga maiso negendo kia maana sana
korengana n'abanyagitari korwa ase kiombe gitari gya serikali kya Right of Hope nigo gwetania 53 igoro yemia y'abantu banene bagotwara umuchando bwa maiso egento kyagerire barigereriwe asoboime.
It's very okay so far. I think 15% and mainly in adults, but for children not that rampant, but it affects adults mostly.
80% of the people are suffering. So mostly people suffer from diabetes. You find someone maybe, and these are things that develop, and so much from the area that in Nyamira, we are interested to support this community.
Philemon Morarapiemi nabo igo Douglas Rutongo ne bakuriye birogo ao nigo batebirenge ganga ya benene siasa tarika mwaka 2027 kwenekinga goirani bare okoboko ase ya mate.
The reason nene no go give back to the community. Ndu no to so meta no to kine area
ayo normally abantu kora bodi bolengi gekogera toko colleagues together na pia barengere gosenje no baseneta ngo boli njitiri ko boli baseneta chegero giana ngo ne kiobwe omo ya msie babo kichora ward lakini siasa ya Roma ina bo munya kurutwa makini bathe ba what and what ntuge ndukire na abantu betu akonyegera itangana
igondere tipi asogo korera abantu banyamire gasi yo baseneta ono iga igombware chipiri sana ngo jigo present a senate kana jori ono iga moroche egasi bune na basani abatubwate igo I'm very ready.
Steven Nyarikie Monde, Nsoko TV, county ya Nyamira.
Mwana Murikito Steven yalikikuru ase county ya Nyamira tokora na ase county ya Kisii Mwanju Murigeria muraibo basubati ase county ya Mheshimiwa Doris Saburi umirandire n'abanyakiombe kurwa ase ekenyoro kya Honyando ke gutoka ase bunge ya Bonchari ase wodi ya Bomarimba ase okubasegeta abangina koga chachibesa na boigo kwene kyanko egenderia bare ase amagima abona kwene kyango ekinya bare
nechibese chichebyombe tigamba tebye kene kya mangana ofisi yo muumandire ebeseriere milioni 8 no tokorusie basari nerere kiombe nero kore gutoko abana chisanitary towel ichiebinte bibyabo no tokorusie gesima twa beka yani chire chinke bono mpake go video twara abasani egere beseye oikera abantu bamino ogusaberero ko kwabero kongera kini nche nimbata abasani naende kene kya yeso no ndiro kugore ngombe ngote bodi tugorigie yegeredi osorigie yekegusi kwamenya konyore yegeredi fresh yan nere bwata mabera amange eke maana gosobori makuru bono nche na amwa mbere nguse binto ndetera abantu baminto kyagara ke maana nto takaite ndo abangena nto lietandire to chake kwe kwanera iga okonyora ntoyo abana baito osenchire egere bono onye mwarenge kukabesa ni 40 bono lero mubeke chiri cheno 40 kando mukabesa ni chia ni 100 chateko babuya abangina monya kwerwanerera mwerwanerere mambi na mambi ende tutakwa sawa
abana chebina 35 na babere abaya nigo banyara ko babagutiani waritukoria rero ko babana chebina sekegambero kigoro moiga hweni kiwase nyombenene yobora yaiga somo chu Nairobi moigo yo orago no murai bwensi ya Kenya na boigo humurai wibigambero nigo bono abana chebina baburi go kwene kyankobeka bare emerobero yabo yogochia gokonya abana inchi konyoro bwene bwa base bigambero.
To the people of Kenya to work with the judiciary in a manner that will help build the capacity of the judiciary so that we can, all of us, as we serve the people of Kenya, do the best for our nation. I have seen many judges here, people who have spent many years in the legal profession. I was wondering at some point why the people who came here were very mean with their applause. And at one point I was wondering whether you brought the right people. I thought you came with members of family, and I thought you came with friends. And I thought members of family and friends would very well appreciate what you have done. Can we a round of applause for these people? Yes. Yes. I mean, these good people we are swearing in today have spent years, 20 years, 29 years, more than 15 years. And this is a very well-deserved occasion for them, and they deserve a round of applause. And I have seen across with different experiences. I was telling Belinda I like her.
Manjumo rigereria nara USNC megen tangani yemesema yakuru soko ensa eyamo tokuru mutimoko mokega yo ya kabere torasio chiduka ketoskare kurana ndase kagitari gitamba sensemo ya kabere toga entrego sangamanke.
Eye Nensoko TV Uboroso bw'umugusi. Magega ya televishoni ya Nsoko wikasero yao kwa nyori baga ligi yaliyokuralia asegete sena mbeyemo imena isiko yeliroba liyagusi onye kubwa tukuraria gukwenyuria ogukwa gose okubonchuria bono na bokonyori bagaria bene liyokuraria asegetesenieke asoliguri liyake busani tulikere gose twakere simigwitire namba yaitu yobonchuria 0788 66 66 62. Onye kubwatari iborio obosemia gusekero kende gyonsiguro yemirobiri yaitu y'Ensoko TV twakere simi ase namba 0788666663 gose tulikiriri ukurye email ensokotv.ke@gmail.com boigo nabugo tutarira sebisite gutuka samagacho hazina towers egoroba ya gatanu narimo asumucyo munene Nairobi. Ensoko TV uboroso w'umuguse.
My name is Albert Omariba. I'm the principal of Kitwebe Technical Training Institute. Kitwebe Technical Training Institute is a government institution situated in Nyamira County. We admit our students as from standard 8 to 4 across all departments. Our students receive help and capitation from the government, therefore there's no worry of the fee payment. And our students pass very well in all departments, and we are able to achieve 90% pass.
Ni kweli Kitwebe Technical Training Institute ni chuo ambacho kimebobea na kinatoa mafunzo katika kiwango cha diploma, certificate na artisan katika kozi zifuatazo: electrical and electronics engineering, building and civil engineering, fashion design, cosmetology, ICT, business management, water technology, hairdressing and beauty therapy, social work and community development, plumbing, welding, kati ya nyinginezo.
We are having a May intake 1-1. We have 8 departments, and we have the Center of Excellence in Fashion and Design. We are actually the best in this region. This region means Nyanza and Western. So we are welcoming students who can seek admission to undertake courses and training in our various departments. So welcome to this community and learn, get the skills, and then from there you can be self-employed or you can seek for employment. Thank you.
Vile tuna short courses za computer packages na German language. Kitwebe Technical Training Institute. Skills for self-reliance.
Kera kama tingatara daiketa oni ya Nyamira na lena shauri sangwe ngararo moijano umotu batera mabwari
Muligeri bwa Ensoko TV oyo no moroberio gwokongoria mareko na inje mwana mboka Edwin Nyang'au turabe tukumira na kira litukurie iki guchakera chinsa 11 chamogoroba weekend seyemo ya butuko tugwakorire emirimo yawo yerituko kwabukire orosete uikaransitero ya ubwe andajita sekerugo orambulete merondo kunyagusibero ngori na hali ase screen ni chingero chikoletwa na mwanambuka Edwin Nyang'au ano to konyora chingero chionsi echiegita na chobenga kwa nubukano echiembegetere ndo gesongengo to ameriria
bakaliya omotoya kabwatwa bakaliya omotoya kabwatwa amatukemero ngena gaika kabwatwa.
Obulimira bw'essiro ly'obunda bwense kulenge tali nchirende nsura krobulimi obiyoke enyolera libaga lya bene kwaegwa migirio chisemi nobosemya igiro y'obulimi bwekerero n'ekikolinga
ase obulimi bochete skuru nobotigi bokumererwa mate
tebone ng'ombe bune yengiya
ngale konyana eyini simegete ntera ngetia maraba ekonete konya kukina yo kamara konya kuyona nganya kwa mabuya
beka chibuti imokio bokombe to semogondo bweli nebisumwime na pathway machine
kile sukuri Jumaine chinsa ni bere chamura goba weka chinsa isato asomoro bere oberemi nobotugi ekero ture semia mange kura saberemi chini gongoro kwa pathway machine
asomoro bere boberemi nobotugi ime Yensoko TV oboroso bwomugusi. Eye Yensoko TV oboroso bwomugusi.
Mwancho mworigereria karibu sana asense mega ya kabere mesema yekuru Yensoko ensa emo mbiyabona soko endrego sangana intwe na bono togusika bosia sorobotu rukubwatia aba waziri abo bachorete kwene kemeroberio yabo ase eserikali na nekuru ase kiama keria ODM litukoria rero nigo basangirikana n'ababwatani be kiama gia ODM ase county ya Mombasa ase banyare ko baba gutugutirare chinkuma una nigo barase kiama ekyo erinde guturubania emeroberio ase batebiro ko bakwa baroro no korokia hobomo na bego kwene kiabuna ose kwene kiabuna emeroberio ye kiama gia ODM ko genderera ase nchirerengia abo igo abomo kwene kiobora ase kiama ekyo.
The founder is normal and we have a party leader in the name of Dr. Oburu, whom we are supporting, and any issues that we have, whether from the ministry or from government, because we are there, we pass through those officials.
That our being here is in recognition first that there is always a time to lead and a time to leave others to lead. We have led this party. My two colleagues here have been deputy party leaders. Myself, I've been the national chairman of this party for 10 years, but we were seconded to government by this party, and so we could not hold the same positions. But there are people who have succeeded us. We must give them support, work together with them, and work under them, because when it comes to party machinery, they are above us, we are their subjects. So we have come to demonstrate unity in ODM, and that ODM is one.
Or Wycliffe Oparanya, or Hassan Joho, or Beatrice Askulu, or Opiyo Wandayi, kabla ya kuwa mawaziri, sisi ni watu wa ODM. Sisi ni watu wa ODM. Na nataka niwaeleze kinaga ubwaga, mchana, chini ya jua, hapa White Sands, jijini Mombasa. Sisi tumebaki na tutabaki kuwa watu wa ODM. Kama ni mawaziri ama si mawaziri, sisi ni watu wa ODM. Na ni kama yalivyosemwa, kutia kwetu nguvu katika msukumo wetu ni kuwepo kwetu sisi hapa. Na kwa sababu tupo hapa, tunabeba masuala ambayo yanaathiri pakubwa hasa wafuasi wa chama cha ODM na kuwakilisha matakwa yao katika serikali. Ndio maana leo tunakuwa na tathmini kubwa ya kwamba uwezo tulionao kiserikali usaidie na uboreshe maisha ya Wakenya kwa jumla, pasipo kuacha jimbo moja ama kulemea katika jimbo moja. Yani usawa katika taifa letu. So tuseme tutakavyosema, tunene tutakavyonena, tutende tutakavyotenda. Almuhim, ukitathmini maneno yako kwa kina na ufikiri kihalisi, sisi hapa ni wafuasi kamili, bila tashwishi yoyote, bila kusuasua, bila wasiwasi, bila uoga, bila kuficha mchana, watu wa ODM. Mungu awabariki.
Tukoska gusio mwancho mworigereria bamenyi kuru ase county ya Meru nigo bono baesokire na korokyo gotogoko kwabo enchera homokonyi bo muraibu ense Professor Abraham Kithure Kindiki hago akoborwa maskani negati yabarai ase baesokire na kumuborio muraibu ense hanyara ko baga kumwegerera homokonyo ye kero libereria ge siasa yangere kwenekiwa asensi ya Kenya na kero ense gendete kuyarigania usibwa chorio bono no mwaka wocha.
Hiyo tumesema kama Wameru tumekasirika. Tafadhali rais, tangaza msimamo wako. Juu hata sisi hatuelewi. Mbona mtu kama Joe atatukana Kindiki na uko hapo na hatujasikia ukiongea kitu yoyote? Kwa hivyo sisi kama Wameru tunataka kuambia rais na tunaomba rais na tunataka kumjulisha hivi. Kama akona Kindiki, we can assure him of the support of Merians. All Merians are going to support him. Lakini akiendelea kuguzaguzwa hivyo anaguzaguzwa, hata sisi hatufurahi.
Tunaomba kama utosheki na kiti ya siezi, tunaomba uondoke, ujiuzuru, uende ukaombe kiti ukiwa nje, kwa sababu huwezi kuomba kiti ya makamu wa rais na makamu wa rais already ako. Hiyo ni kuonyesha ya kwamba utampia heshima, kwa sababu mkubwa wako, ukisema unataka kiti ya mkubwa wako, hiyo ni kuonyesha ya kwamba hakuna heshima hapo.
Naomba rais pia asimame kidete, amtetee, amuonye Joho na amtetee Kindiki kila pahali, kwa sababu Joho amekuja vibaya sana na si vizuri hivyo anafanya. Anafaa kumpa heshima. Kama ni kutoka, atoke na uzuri, atuache na amani na Kindiki wetu.
Mupatie serikali nafasi itufanyie kazi mpaka 2027 ikifika wakati wa siasa. Ndio wakuje watasema ile kazi wamefanya. Na nyinyi opposition mkae tayari, sababu wengine wenu tuliwatuma huko na hakuna kitu mlitufanyia. Kwa hivyo ni lazima tutaangalia kienye.
Oscar Oseo mwancho murigere bona soroboti rukubwatia hentingana yegosori yogu estontia musubati Joan Joy niko bono ariganigwa ime yo ense no mogoko maiga yoguika ense ime ense ya Kenya kurwase ense moya Bangkok Thailand hase abete gakubwa ekewa yogu estontia kia Miss Independent International Africa yense ngima ukwana nigeta seni kigagia Nsoko TV Joy niko bono abagandire basubati bali babwate ebiego byogu estontia kobeka umukia ilikuwa nikiango ikirana bale chindoto chiaba muri kitodani omwaga no aringa sumuro yo robot roya senchera yubikirano
magega yokurie ira emetie nyemeke ya etire yogochia kubaturunkania na kubabuga abamereri baye intingana yegosoria yo Westontia Joan Joy nigo bono aikanye yokobweke kwana asomunyega bwo kumugenia mayega yogekemeyense ya Kenya kurwa Bangkok ime ya Thailand Joan nigo bono ayeneke bunomokia amona masabo naro engenchene ne yobobwibwaye.
Very humbled, first of all. I thank the Lord, and of course I'm very overjoyed. I'm overwhelmed with a lot of gladness, and I really say thank you to everyone who supported me. The journey has been both tough and good at the same time. It requires a lot of patience, dedication, a lot of training and practice so that you're able to get to the top.
Joan nigo bona baburi abasubati bali babwate ebiego byo Westontia gokoromokia ilyo wekanya chindoto chiabo asebo igo aba kerambu yabona babwatani bonsi bali bamokonyire wekerania to yae.
Out there looking at conquering a global title, I want to tell you one thing: what doesn't kill you makes you stronger. So whatever you believe in, keep fighting for it, keep practicing for it, and keep chasing your dreams. First of all, thank you to my franchise, Mark Modeling Academy, the director, Miss Independent International, for stage. A big thank you to my manager, Mr. Shua Morema, for the support and guidance. My parents for always standing beside me, for encouraging me emotionally and supporting. Thank you to my sisters, my best friends, the church, and of course to all the media teams out there that really supported me. I appreciate it.
Abaibuli baya Joy nigo bona bamwakire Nyasaye mbuya mono aseba igo babuli abaibuli bande ko basira abana babo bali babwate ebyegwa elewekerania ebyegwa byabo.
My name is Paul Otieno Oriedi. I'm the father to Joy Joan. The example of Joy is a bit unique. My vision with her was to study gender and development, which she actually accomplished. When she was there, she discovered her talent. I realized as much as I was trying to discourage her, that is where her interest was. And I decided that if my daughter has a passion, it is much more easier to pursue passion than the profession. So I only want to encourage fellow parents that grant your child the desire of his or her heart.
I'm Joy Joanne's mother. Joy being my second born, I'm proud of her. Joy has a lot of scars, but I told her, these scars, they are the things that will catapult you to the level which you want. And indeed, she has already been catapulted to that level. She can still go to any other level she wants. We'll support her. We are so happy for her. And we thank God for everything. It is the Lord who has done this. Every good thing in our life is worth thanking God. We owe God thanks. It is not by our own strength, neither is it our own might, but God has done it.
Omotrendi bwe skuru ya Delight Technical College asomo yugo yokorekana nigoene kyomo kyoli abegete eryo kwene Kinga Joy obereka bakayukerania ndoto ya yeyo Westontia asensemo yendo murandi ya Joy nigoene kebuna amasabonsi na yansae na rabeta bakayukerania ndoto yeyo.
My name is Setoti Metamei, principal at Delight Technical College, and today we've had a very wonderful homecoming ceremony for Joan Joy, the Miss Independent Africa Queen. Some words to encourage the models in the industry is that we are here, other players are here to make sure that you have the right kind of support. This is the kind of assistance that we extended to Joan Joy. We made sure that she has clothes for arrival, for evening wear, and she was set for independent.
My name is Pastor Boniface Sove. I am the pastor to Joy Joanne. I'm here to congratulate her and to thank God for the great things that He has done in her life.
Aserio yerimo abwatani bande abobekana asomo yogoyo nigobona barekana kunyebolia serikali kobenyona kobasira basubati bali babwate byegwa byogwesitontia.
Sasa malieta ngo ku Bernard Smanto musepa maitem na Babu Mtekova nere tuacha kaika ko celebrate Joy na oiranire nobobwe gotoro kimna no pageant ase chinse cheisiko ni bwatali baka if onyentonyole support isaine kurwa serikali chi stakeholders a 100% sure ntogende ale sana toko request serikali hakikishenga yabekire chi policies chikonya kwa accommodate our queens and queens who could represent our country in international competition, but inside the Kenya they are not recognized.
Inkorporated geteseni Igian Soko TV kurwa sezukuru ya Delight Technical College imeyobo watakati ebuwa mochio Nairobi iliyotaria nege nkolo kwa Daniel Omwaga.
Memano morikito Daniel Omwaga na roboti ro senchira yubo ikirento gusikabosyo mwanchumo rikereria oporemi bwebimeri byenyancha nigobogendrete koba esiro enene hanne mono hime echi county yokweria ose yokwenekia huikira ekerengo yokoba homo ose yokoba omonene himensi ya Kenya habari miba maembe kurwa se county ya Embu basabiro kwenekia bunango yasona nibare hase echiro yekerero ense engima heri unenchire boyo gochia kwenekia nkwegendere bare ase emiroberio yabo tambe morikito Linet Kemunto no roboti rwa senchire bwikiro.
Abaremi kurwe kaunti eyo abo bamanyekanete abaremi ebyata soboremi bwa maembe yabeire ngakientambe barabwo konyora sara wetero kobora wechiciro ngamoneji mashini chioko gatarige omonyakero wetire yo Joseph Nzagi otebire buna abaremi abo babere bagosira rigesari nyinge ase okonyora sara echiro mo negati echiro 12 echo chikorosigwa se county eyo eriogo kini oboremi
watakuwa na pahali conducive, pahali kutakuwa na maji, pahali kutakuwa na usafi wote. Na nikifikiria tunaona hii mradi kulingana na vile the contractor is saying, probably by the end of the year tutaingia huko. Sasa hii soko itatusaidia kwa vile sasa pia hapa tuna institute ambayo hiyo institute wanafunzi wa institute pia wanareside hapa. They are 4,000.
Watu wa soko tuna uoga fulani sababu magari barabara ni kidogo. Aya magari nazo ni nyingi kwa hii barabara. Kwa hivyo gari kikosa control kidogo iende igonganishe vibanda za watu, hasara inaweza patikana hapo na mikozi mingi inaweza patikana. Lakini soko ikijengwa tutafurahia sana na juu tutaingia ndani, tuache kado ya barabara sisi tuwe ndani sisi wote.
Gotigana nayo oboremi warorokanire gonchoreri obogima bwabamenyi borogongo rwa Kwale korengana no roboti kurwa se wizara yoboremi. Oboremi obo nigo bwagenderete konyora chinguru kobwatikana na imeri ebi gosanerwa ase chiro yensengima. ebimeri ebi obuya bibwate bwokoroiseria amariogo y'oborwaria amaguta y'okweyaka egati ebinde aya naragerire abasae n'abang'ina kobwatera koboko oboremi obo bunenchire yemo y'okwenyorera ebitoki. Omokonyi bw'omudirector omone bwa sekta y'oborubi imeyense Roman Shera nigatebire buna amaegeri y'ogokora oboremi naragerire bwakinire na goikire kerengeke koreng'ana nere niga amaegeri ayo atungetie obomanyi bwekerero.
Kwa mfano ile variety yetu ambayo tunaikuza katika kaunti ya Kwale inaitwa Spinosam ambayo ni it's a low value variety, na tumeweka mikakati ili tuweze kuintroduce ile high value variety ambayo inaitwa Cotonie ili wakulima wetu waweze kupata mazao mengi na waweze kupata pesa nzuri zaidi katika kilimo cha mwani.
Egati y'abarayi batogiye oboremi obwo ng'amono Mosubati Recho Ajambo, Elisha Murabu na Patrice Dilani.
Niona kwa utafiti kama wakina mama na vijana wako wengi sana kwa huu mnyororo wa thamani wa samaki, ili wanafanya zile kazi za chini chini huko na hawapati kipato kizuri. And so this program is here to uplift the participation of women and youth.
Waingie katika value chain tofauti tofauti kama kufanya hizo value added products, kuuza, kupeleka mazao sokoni, kutengeza mazao tofauti tofauti kama sabuni za kuoga. Sasa tunaona wakati hivi ilivyofikia, mwani unasaidia zaidi ya wanawake.
Kulingana na sheria zetu, mwani ni samaki na mwani ni mti ambao unakuwa kule baharini na uko na faida nyingi, sababu mwani ni kama unarejesha hali nzuri ya mazingira, right, kupanda mwani.
Korwa semese yetu y'obwonsoreria bwegeta senigia nsoko erietariane Linet Kemunto.
Mwanchumu rigeria soroboti ruaye Linet Kemunto no tuwika omwerio hasoko kumanyaria nikiwasiri tukeriga aiga semesema yakurwa ensoko ensa chidagika chitigarite 13 chokeraga chinsa ibere chia bono botuko yoronga gekoroga nande chinsa isato ninchikura naga igatosanga iga negati yayanda manga senchira yobo ikirano asiri bagaria Felistas Kabendi, Kelvin Mogoi na boigo Barnabas Ondari abanko nyakurwa se studio ya kabere kwene kamera gine chibi chango chara senchira rengia chenkuru kwa Clinton Ndigi gendra kwego kya nimero 2 kubwatia sembe.